Today, we're coming to you live from a job site in Southern California. Meet our latest beast, the new 4,500-watt inverter generator with electronic fuel injection. EFI, or electronic fuel injections, become the standard in generators for its improved fuel efficiency and performance across a wide range of applications. Stick around for our quick and easy startup guide. Let's get ready to power up your world like never before. Begin by carefully opening the box, making sure all parts are included. To begin fueling, remove the panel cover on the right side of the generator using a Phillips screwdriver and remove the oil filler cap to check the dipstick. If this is your first time using the generator, fill the oil tank to the upper limit with SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil. Then reinstall the oil filler cap and cover securely. Next, remove the fuel cap on top of the generator and fill to the upper level with unleaded gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher. Then reinstall the fuel cap securely. To start the generator, disconnect any tools or appliances from the outlets. Confirm that the Eco Mode switch is set to the off position and the main switch is set to on. Hold the top handle securely and pull the recoil starter grip until you feel resistance. Then pull briskly. If you choose to use the Eco Mode throttle system, activate the switch after the engine's warmed up for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the generator's operating smoothly, connect your devices to the proper outlets. As your generator runs, it'll charge the battery of the electric start system, allowing you to use the electric start on the generator's second use. To use the electric start, confirm that the Eco Mode switch is set to the off position and the main switch is set to on. Then press the start button on the generator panel or the on button on the remote control. When you're finished with the generator, disconnect your devices and let the generator run for a few minutes without a load. Then move the main switch to the off position. For equipment guides, manuals, and more, scan the QR code to access the Tomahawk Resource Center. We recommend to familiarize yourself with the generator's user manual. It contains essential information on safety precautions, maintenance guidelines, and more. And for more tips and tricks, click subscribe today.